back to my channel. If you're joining me for the first time, hi, my name is Martha and this is Martha's Empire. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a protein treatment using this. This is what I use, like it's a big ass bowl. So it should last me at least half a year. I already washed my hair. I did it on clean hair. I washed my hair yesterday, but I didn't have enough time to do everything. Like you gotta split your wash day if you want to be effective. So I'm like, you know what, it's okay, we're gonna continue the next day. So that was really like clean hair. So it's best to do your protein treatment on clean hair. And the purpose of doing a protein treatment is because it helps your hair, you know, give it a little bit of strength. It gives it strength, a little bit of strength. So that's that. And you're not supposed to do a protein treatment every week. It's something that you're supposed to do. Google recommends 4 weeks to 6 weeks. But usually I love doing it when I had a protective style, you know, just to like give my hair more strength. This one says it's a conditioning treatment for damaged and weak hair. It's infused with horse oil to nourish while olive oil, egg protein, and wheat grain oil help restore damage and repair. So it's pretty much hair mayonnaise. I prefer using this one than doing DIYs because I don't want to put actual mayonnaise in my hair. Like, that doesn't smell so good.
You can be with someone.
So right now I'm just going to put on a wig cap, but before that I'm going to put a plastic bag on so that I can trap in as much steam as possible. What this bowl is for. I mean, okay, if we're going for cute, then cool. So I have a lot of stuff to work on to pack, so I'm just going to be packing while my hair is, like, you know, enjoying the beautiful treatment. And then afterwards I'm just going to rinse it off. If you want to see a detail of my hair wash hair routine, I already have a video up, so I'm not going to get into all the details, like, because you already have the details. So I'm going to come back and just, you know, so we can see how the hair has been doing before I rinse it off. So pieces. Okay guys, so I've been looking like this for a while now, so it's time to take it off and rinse my hair. So ooh, yeah. So there we go, there we have it. In the shower and rinse it out. You don't have to use shampoo or anything. Leave the extra bits on your hair. So I'm just gonna rinse it out and then go over with my moisturizer and my leave-in. So how we looking? How we looking cute? How we looking cute? And my hair is mostly like longer in the back and then like real short in the front. But it is what it is, what it do. Let me go and wash this out. Hi guys, so I'm back from the shower and this is how the hair is looking. So really soft. And there's like nothing coming out. The shrinkage, y'all. The shrinkage. But cool. So that's it, you guys. Now I'm just gonna go in with my leave-in conditioner and some oils. So if you want to see that process, you can always go back and watch the wash day because it's the same thing. So all in all, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you do your part in treatment. Let's keep our hair looking healthy all through 2021. Yep. That's it for me. See you in my next one. Peace and love.